Alright, so here's one more overview of the AVL AirBox Flyshuttle system. It's a pneumatic air-controlled fly shuttle, so it hooks up to an air compressor. And we have a beater set up here just on a jig, but this would attach to either your overhead or bottom swing beater, most likely an overhead beater on a PDL or A-series loom. So this is a double box setup, so we have a shift handle here, and it lets you alternate. Let's see here. So you can alternate between two shuttles. If I put this in here, it lets you shift between your two shuttles. And we're using a beater system with picker sticks. So you can see these pickers here are attached to air cylinders. Now you control your speed by here, first your FRL, you know how much air pressure is coming in here, and then these split it between the left and the right side, so there's one of these over here. And we're running at about 50 psi on each side, so you want it to go fast, but also you don't want your shuttles to pop out of your box, so these spring-loaded pieces here slow down the shuttle when it arrives in the box. So you can see these are kind of spring-loaded, like catchers. So you can add more springs here to throw it harder, but also to stop the shuttle in time, so that it really stops it. These are just basically, if you got this edition, you'd get a whole new beater, and it would just attach to your loom. So let me fire it up here. I'll just try to show you how it works. It uses a simple left-right thumb switch. So it does come with a safety feature. So this would mount to your loom. And you would need this to be it basically, your beater hits it when it goes back. So if you had it up high, your beater would hit it and compress it. So your beater needs to be back to throw the shuttle.